gentlemen, this is Azan RS Auto. Today I'll be talking about reverse camera and aftermarket reverse camera. There are two different styles that is very popular in the market. The wiring is the same, just the camera itself. This is one style, and over here you have this other style. The content are basically the same. You have the power, the video, then the trigger, cable for the trigger. So if you bring both of them out, connection is basically the same. This is for power and ground, while this is for the video. So which of them you want to install on your car? Because I have issues with customer trying to make asking me what are the advantages or disadvantages of any of these reverse cameras, and why would I prefer one to the other. First of all, both of them does basically the same thing, which is to give you the rear view of your car when you are reversing, and both of them uses the same method to install the wiring. The wiring diagram for both of them is basically the same thing. The only difference is the styling and some little features. Now this one has an additional feature whereby when the camera is on, these 4 LED lights gives you visibility in the night. That is one advantage of this. And second advantage, you can adjust the angle of view with this. Now this other one, you cannot adjust the angle of view. Here you can just up, down, a wide angle of view. This one have very limited angle of view. You can only shift, after installation, you can only shift it a little bit forward or backwards to actually capture, because it is installed this way. By the time you mount it this way, you can only move it forward and backward. Meanwhile, when you mount this, you have a wide range of view. But this other one, at night, it has advantage over this, because at night, in addition to your reverse light, this one can also provide additional light for you when you are reversing at night. So at night, you can still get a very good view. But at night, you will not get very good view with this. This also has an added advantage. The advantage this one has is that it flushes with the car. It fits in as if it is factory installed reverse camera. So, and it's for those people that don't want their reverse camera to be noticeable, you use this. Those people that want that reverse camera to flush with whatever you install it, and it will fit in with where it is fixed. This one is very, very good for such. But those that want extra visibility at night, and those that want wide angle of adjustment, I will advise them to go for this. But this will stand out very far. They will know that this is a reverse camera. But with this, they will not easily know that this is a reverse camera. But this, it will easily stand out that this is a reverse camera. So that's basically the same. The packs are almost the same, just different number. The styling is just different. The wiring is the same. So when I install reverse cameras, when I install Android car stereo, or when I want to install reverse camera, I will ask the customer which of these he or she prefers to have installed in their system. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.